Right, let's try something new. Um, I want a square wave. So let's see, or tiny sign. Let's see what that sounds like. Or triangle or sawtooth. Let's see. Square. Okay, we're gonna make a. What I've been thinking about doing is doing a crackling paper effect sound. So we need quite a few components in it. It's going to be rather loud, so I'll turn it down a touch. And let's just generate that. Got 5 seconds. Now we need to modulate it. Just preview that. I'll boost the frequency when I'm ready. Usually it's better to increase the frequency last. I want it a little bit random though. I don't want it to be too patterny. It's not going to be a loop. This sound is not going to be a loop sound. It's going to be a one-off sound. You play it and it stops basically. Let's try. Right, let's just we've modulated that. Now we need to distort it and filter it. Find an appropriate preset and then find tweak. That's not what I want. Alright, I've got flanger there, but it's a nice sound, but it's not what I want. Right, let's see. Try that. See that increasing the frequency now. Alright, we're now going to have a high frequency. Alright, we're getting a bit closer to a paper crackling. Paper bag or something like that, yeah. I could record it myself, but it's more fun trying to recreate things. Right, okay. No, not really. I've got quite a few presets I've put in here myself, but they're all for different things. Right, that's not too bad. Let's see. Lingerie today. It's just getting more papery now. No, definitely not. Right, let's get rid of some of that. Using the graphic equalizer to help me. Right, oh, okay, let's see what else we can do with that. Let's see if we can put some more flanging effects on it. Let's see about changing the time. Try a bit more of this. A little bit of echo on it. And let's see. Well, that's certainly more papery, but it needs a bit more zing to it. There we go. There we go, we're getting it now. See a little bit more distortion. And now a bit more. No, not that one. I want it more wrinkly now, so that sounds like a lot of paper now, doesn't it? Too much. Actually, let's see what else. Yeah, that's too much. We don't want that much. We want ripples. No. Let's try the envelope again. Yeah. More of that. Yeah, I think that's what we want. Now let's just oh, wrong one. I want the time pitch. Oh, Doppler shift. Find the right one. Yeah, that sounds good. We'll boost that. Boost it again. Again. Okay, we've got our paper sound. Now, it took a bit fast though. So let's slow it down. Oh, wrong one. Oh, I've got that one again. Where am I? I want the... That's the one. Yeah. I want to slow it down. I want a slower tempo. That's the one. Not too slow, otherwise it gets digital. Okay, we've got paper being crunched, basically digitalized. So I mean, it's not easy to create sounds from nothing, is it? I've been at this for 20 minutes, just about. But I need to give it some zing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modulate that again. Where's the envelope? And I'm going to use it. Oh, let's get a new. I'll save this as a preset because I might need this. I'm going to just call it ripples. And I'm going to use find a different preset for smooth ends. It basically fades the beginning and the end out. That is the start and the end faded out, in and out. So we could loop it, you see. And it didn't have any nasty clicks. Now, envelope again, where am I? I want to put some spikes in there. Tremors. Yeah, right. But there's too many tremors, so what I'm going to do is going to alter the. So, because when you crunch in paper, there are quiet parts and there are loud parts, so I'm going to simulate that. Now I'm going to boost it. I'll just normalize it actually. Normalize it to 50%. There we go. We've got some lighter, brighter, some louder parts and quieter parts. And that's our paper. And you watch me create that from scratch, and I've only spent about 21 minutes doing that. And that's how you can create sounds. So I didn't talk much, but I was concentrating. It's hard to talk when you're concentrating. Just a basic papery sound. But I mean, I can work on it more to improve it. And another thing I like to do is copy, go to the end, right to the end of the track, paste it as, so it's at the end, and then reverse it. So we'll go back to back, and when you play that, you can have so it sounds like the paper's fluttering more in the centre there, look. So it's a bit like paper. Could be caught in a fan actually. But anyway, that's really, I mean, I can work on this a lot longer, but it's going to take a lot of video time, and I'm just going to save that as I'll convert it to convert the sample to make sure it's the right type for Second Life, and save it as paper Russell. I'll save that, and then I can undo this, undo that what I've saved it now, but I can't undo it. But if I want to get it off the end again, I can just cut that out. And save that as version 1. And the other one is version 2. I'll sort that out in a bit for the naming. But there we go, we've got paper. It could also sound a bit like a little engine starting up, spluttering, but let's see about microphones working here. See about flangering it a bit more. No, we don't want that. That's interesting. Save that as version 2. Put your one as version 3 later. Need to amplify it again because I've lost some of my amplitude. A little bit more digitalized though, that. I'm just going to close that one out. On the version 1 one again because I still want to try tweaking it more. But if we just wanted this part, that could be a piece of paper going to the recycle bin. Let's just copy that and paste it as new. Let's see, save as paper in recycle bin. Can't read it. Oh, I've spelt that. Missed my P. Right, I'll just save that, paper in recycle bin. That's something that people might want. Yeah, there we go. It's taken me half an hour just to make the sound of a piece of paper. Well, there you go. And that's completely digital. There was no treating you, watch me do it step by step, no pauses. Thanks for watching.